Welcome, everyone, to a new episode of This is My Offer, the AWS webinar series that gives partners a chance to talk about what they offer to their customers. My name is Daniele. I'm the worldwide solution architect covering our retail partners. And I'm really excited today to have with me Dr. Yubin Kim, the Chief Science Officer at Vody, to talk about their generative AI solution for retail. Welcome, Yubin.
Hey, thanks, Daniel. Excited to be here.
Awesome. So Vody is one of our AWS partners. They recently obtained the generative AI competency and the retail competency, and we've been working very closely with them. So Yubin, talk us a bit about what the big problem that you see in online retail and what retailers are facing today, and how is Vody helping them to solve those challenges, those problems?
Yeah, so despite the fact that we're living in this new age of AI, what we see is that online retailers are still struggling with product discoverability. Their customers can't find what they want. And this is even after retailers have made pretty big investments in the latest search tech and GenAI chatbots. And this is because the problem is more fundamental. It's because e-commerce data is not AI ready. And data is the lifeblood of AI. Even the best AI models are only as good as the data that fuels it, that feeds it. And so what I say is, okay, are you unhappy about your on-site search experience? Then, well, is your data AI ready? And this is where Vody comes in. Vody is the intelligent data infrastructure layer that transforms messy product catalogs into complete, accurate, AI optimized and AI accessible data layer that adapts to the constantly changing real world context. And we do this with our state-of-the-art multimodal LLMs, which we have fine-tuned for retail and further customized for how your customers interact with your product catalog. With Vody, your newly AI-ready product data supercharges your existing search and discovery technology and driving conversion without all these costly migrations.
I really love that you are tackling this problem at the root, right? Like going at the data layer and really improving and enhancing that. So, and because data is so foundational, right? It's part of everything that we do, right? It seems that it's not just on-site search that would benefit from this, right? It can be anything, really. Is that right?
Yeah, that's a fantastic observation. Better product data means better everything else that relies on it. As you just said, your product display pages will be richer, your recommendations will work better, your marketing and merchandising teams will be able to make better decisions because they have better data to work with. And also your SEO improves because guess what? Google is also an AI model. All of this is possible with Vody, no expensive migrations or rip and replace required because we work on that data layer rather than trying to replace your technology stack. So all you need to do is upload your product data to our SaaS API, download the enriched data back into your product inventory management system or databases, and you're golden and you're good to go.
And I think this would be absolutely important for customers, right? I think the time to market that this enables for you, I think, is also quite unique. Let's dive a bit deeper on what makes Vody unique. What's the value proposition? So, what are the solutions that you're delivering to your retailer customers?
Yeah, so our core offering has three big components. So first, we help get your foundation right. We help get your data foundation straight. We make sure that your data is accurate and complete. So it's common that a lot of our customers, they get like piles of product catalogs sent to them by vendors as PDFs and spreadsheets. Vody's agentic AI takes care of that. we take this off of your hands, and it automatically extracts and structures your product data into your databases. On top of that, our GenAI attribute models then flesh out this product data further by tagging it with key attributes that customers care about in order to make purchase decisions like size, color, brand. And secondly, once this foundation is built, we then optimize that product data for AI. So we inject your product data with real world context so that AI systems like your search engines can understand what customers mean by ballet core, which is a fashion trend that's inspired by dance that I recently read about in the New York Times, or which products make a good Father's Day gift. So for example, a shirt that says best dad might make a good gift, but maybe like not that $2,000 golf club, right? And this kind of real world context constantly changes, trends change. And our intelligent data infrastructure adapts your product data so your AI systems stay up to date with how customers are talking about products today. Finally, at that very tippy top, these are things that build on top of each other, right? We understand the real-time context for each individual shopper that lands on your site so that you're able to create hyper-personalized shopping experiences for every single shopper, no sign-up or login necessary. And as an added bonus, to talk about a little bit of the AI accessible part of our mission, we connect all of this enriched data of your catalog to GenAI through MCP. So your catalog data is now exposed through MCP to all these great GenAI tools so that your merchandising and marketing teams can be equipped with the latest agents, the latest GenAI, so they can make great decisions. With Vody, your data works directly with any AI agent you want with no complex migrations, no headaches, just plug and play integration that delivers real ROI. And of course, all of this is built on AWS's secure infrastructure, which allows us to scale horizontally, maintain high availability, the standard of quality that our enterprise customers need.
Amazing. I heard on the radio the other day a new trend, non-core, which is looking like a grandma. So I'm not sure. Let's see if that really picks up. You mentioned AWS. You mentioned you're building on AWS. Can you tell us a bit more how AWS enables Vody to deliver value for your customers?
Yeah, absolutely. AWS is absolutely instrumental for us, enabling us to deliver like cutting edge AI solutions. We leverage several key services, AWS services. And for one, a bunch of our models are built in-house, trained, created in-house. These models all run on Amazon EKS and cloud compute. So we train, tune, and deploy our fine-tuned language models and other models that we create on EKS and power them with EC2. So it is infinitely horizontally scalable. We also use Amazon Bedrock to access state-of-the-art closed source LLMs. We use the best tools for the task, and including Amazon Nova, of course. So we use these larger models for specific tasks that require more generalized intelligence.
Fantastic. And you mentioned LLMs, and on the market, there's lots of different tools and different agents. If you want that, we can just go and, let's say, start talking and ask for different shopping recommendations. So what does really set Vody apart here, right? I mean, can I just take an LLM and build it myself?
Yeah, so that's a great question. So the thing I'll say is that you can't replicate Vody with a single prompt engineer call to a model, right? Because we're not, behind the scenes, we're not just one model. It is a whole suite of AI technology that does include LLMs, but a lot of other AI tech as well, including graph AI, more traditional classifiers for speed. So what we do is a carefully orchestrated combination of large LLMs, efficient task-specific LLMs that have been distilled, specialized graph AI models, and of course, all of the safety guardrails, quality monitoring, all of which are constantly learning and being regularly updated. Every 3 weeks, there's a new foundation model that drops, right? So if you want to stay up to date with that, that's a lot of work. And Vody does all of this for our customers, so they can stay at the cutting edge of technology and be able to harvest the ROI from technology improving.
That's great. Yeah. I'm really excited now to see this in action. I'm sure our viewer are also excited to see this. So can we see a demo? Can we see how really Vody works?
Yeah, so we're working with Grubhub, and today we're going to show you what Grubhub sees when they're working with Vody. So Grubhub, which is a food delivery app, they struggle with search and discoverability because of data issues. Turns out busy restaurant owners are not really incentivized to provide detailed data about their restaurants on Grubhub. They do kind of a sus job. So we are helping Grubhub by helping them flesh out better understanding, better data about these restaurants. So some of it is like dietary information. Is this restaurant keto friendly, friendly for gluten-free dieters? Also things like food flavor profiles. Does this restaurant have like cheesy food for when you're like craving that like late night comfort food? Maybe you're really in the mood for spicy food. And so we help flesh out the understanding of restaurants with these characteristic labels. And the nice thing is that Grubhub is in full control over the data. So it's not like, Vody is just producing data and it just, it's like take it or leave it. They are fully involved. They get to see what data is flowing into their systems. And furthermore, they get to direct how the models that we have built for them improve and learn over time. So that's what I want to show off today, is how our customers are empowered to use these AI tools to direct and improve their customers' experiences. So we'll show you the demo now. So here is the UI dashboard that our customer sees when they log in. This doesn't include real customer data. Of course, this is stubbed out. So in the overview page, you see some overall performance metrics. They're able to track the status of the jobs that are running, the data enrichment jobs that are running, and they get to see performance metrics, accuracy, stability, week-over-week changes to how the model is performing to get a very clear view of the performance of the models. But here's the interesting part, right? So this is where our customers are able to interact with the enriched data that Vody has created and is able to direct how the models should be improving. So here we see some examples of restaurants, and which is under the entity tags, and they have been tagged with a bunch of labels, but our models generate confidence scores, right, for labels that we think may be requiring human review, and prioritizes them for review by our customers. So they're able to see this in this like review queue screen. And the diagnostic column tells them, what might be potentially needed for review. So a customer might click on this fresh fruit smoothies restaurant and see that, the thing that might be suspect is keto. And they're like, okay, the smoothie restaurant is probably not keto because smoothies are often sugary. So they can go and fix that themselves. So they're like, okay, keto, this is not right. Let's fix it. So they're able to click on resolve manually and then just turn off the keto label, hit save changes, and then that data now automatically flows into their downstream system. Furthermore, Vody collects all these feedback items that our customers give us, and we use it for the next round of model training. So our models are constantly improving. The longer you stay with us, the better your models get.
Amazing. That was really, really brilliant. And I love how customers really have control over their data and can further then optimize the models here. So that was great. So what kind of results are customers seeing when they adopt Vody?
Yeah, so I'm going to share a recent success story of one of our other customers. We have an enterprise retail customer who was, again, struggling with product discoverability and thus a site conversion. After implementing Vody solution, they saw a multi-million-dollar lift on their annual projected sales and 10% improvement in their conversion rates site-wide. Again, all without that cost of migration of ripping and replacing their technology stack, because we operate at the data layer.
Wow, that's great. Yeah, especially that 10% conversion improvement on the conversion rate. That's fantastic. So I'm sure many of the viewers will have this question as well. How can I get started?
Yeah, so we made it incredibly easy to get started. Our product is available on AWS Marketplace, of course, which simplifies the procurement process for a lot of our enterprise customers. So retailers, potential customers, if you're interested, you can simply schedule a demo through our website, which is on our AWS Marketplace listing. And you can book a call with us for us to talk together and do some discoverability about where we can collaborate and get some value out of your data. And we have an easy POC process. Our POC process involves, we can essentially show you what we can do. So it's in 2 steps. We create this, what we call this AI readiness report. What we do is we go to your website, we scrape some of your product data, so you don't have to lift a finger for this whole POC process. And then we analyze that data and tell you where the areas of opportunity are and how we can help. So based on that information, we can design what a real live full-scale proof of concept is going to look like, and we go from there.
Fantastic. Yubin, thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us today. It was really great and really great to learn more about Vody and what you guys are doing.
Thank you so much. This was so much fun. It's always great talking to you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you to everyone that's tuned in, and we'll see you on the next episode.